Check out the Chevrolet 2013 Camaro 1LT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include preferred equipment Group 1LT, 6 speakers, 6-speaker audio system, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo with color touch, 3-station satellite radio, USB port audio system feature and air conditioning. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.